Hello guys, so we are in the series of Express Yourself, Art Journaling for Beginners, and you have previous videos where we were talking about different elements and materials that we can use for art journaling and mixed media. And today we are gonna talk about washi tape. So washi tape is fantastic for giving little touches on your pages, for create another layer more on your page, or to glue down something. As you can see, there are different types of washi tapes, different sizes, different patterns. It's just amazing product that I really recommend you try it. And so today we are going to give an example how you can use the washi tapes on your art journal. So first of all, we are going to do one layer with watercolors, and then we are going to create more layers. And so I recommend you that you watch the other videos, because in there I have explained how to use stencils, stamps, etc. That is going to be important, as we are going to use all of them today. So I just take a plastic folder, a regular one, whatever you had at your home, and I put randomly a layer of watercolor in blue, and also I am putting some water on the page to make the watercolor move easily. The idea is to create a very organic shape here, something that you cannot achieve if you try it by hand. So as it gives you like a texture, in my case the plastic has like a texture, what I am doing is before it's dry, I just pass more water and then some splashes, and working on the page till I like it. Because for the moment it's not dry and I can move the watercolor around. So then we have to let it dry completely, and now we are using the washi tape as another element, as another layer more. So here we are trying the first one to arrive to both sides of the pages, to the corners, and then I'm just playing, trimming the washi tape, just doing the shapes that I like to create another layer on top of the watercolor. As you can see, it's super easy to use. It's like plastic, so it's very easy to cut. And normally I like to repeat the elements on the page. So I'm creating like little clusters there. And the washi tape, the idea behind it is that it's removable, so you can put it and then take it out without any problem. So that's why I am using matte medium from Liquitex on top of it to make sure that it's not take it away with the time. And now I am using a stencil with acrylic. My brush is completely dry and I don't add any water to the acrylic paint. So I am using also a big brush, because it's the way that you get all the pattern easily. And I just apply this stencil in a random way on the page. And now I'm using a stamp. The stencil was from Dina Walkley. The stamp is from Set After, and I am just applying it whenever I see a space. And I love to use recycled material, so I am using this bag that I get from a shop. And I am using here the platform, the plastic platform, to make a very clear impression of the stamp. This stamp is from Dina Walkley too. And then I am just cutting it on the size of the page and this is gonna be my focal point. And here I was playing with tissue paper of Dina Walkley, but then I realized that visually it was too heavy, so I just used cardboard in black to calm down a little the visual texture, and just playing with the elements. And then normally I like to use some geometric shapes on the page, so I was doing some circles, and then I realized that the piece that I get was more interesting, and so I am also incorporating on the collage. I'm playing a little with the papers that I have till I'm happy with the composition. And here it becomes to have the final composition. I normally don't have any in my mind. I just respond to what the page is asking me, let's say. And so now I have the cluster, so I am just using the staple. And this is something that I learned from Dina Walkley, which is one of my favorite teachers, and still I learn every day with her. So now to glue down all the cluster, you can use also matte medium, but for me that I don't like to have super glue down the elements, I am just using this regular school glue. I think it's more than enough, but you can use the matte medium if you want, or gel medium, different mediums that you can use. And now I have my sentiment that I cut out from a magazine that I got in the subway. So I am always recycling. And then I have some shapes that I had already, because at the beginning I thought to use this darker tissue paper, but it was too dark. So I am just doing a secondary page with some journaling, and using the pieces that I have, because normally this secondary page for me has a relationship with the main page in a way, and it's an easy way to have already 2 pages done. And also this more light secondary page gives more importance to the main page. So sometimes I like to do these secondary pages, sometimes not, because really there are no rules for your art journal. It's what you feel, what you like, and play the way you like. So this is all for today. I hope you like it. If so, please give me a thumbs up. You can also subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.